Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to test to see if your alternator is working or if it's not working. Sometimes people replace their battery because they think their battery is no good, but it could be your alternator. So I'm going to show you how to test your alternator. Okay guys, so this test is super easy. You just need a voltmeter. You can get one of these for like $20. So all you do is right here, a car is 12 volts, right? That's what it runs on. So you put this to 20, so that'll measure up to 20 volts. So a car usually runs between 12 and like 13 volts, 14 volts, right? So you're good there. So now what you got to do is, with the engine off, put this on the battery. Put one on the positive, one on the negative. Red one on the positive, that one on the negative. And you don't have to worry about getting electrocuted or anything. Just touch it to the metal prongs. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so with the engine off, I got 12.26 volts. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the engine. I'm going to write that down, and then I'm going to start the engine and test it again. Okay, so as you can see guys, with the engine running, it's less. It's 11.72 now, so it's less than it was before. Okay, let me turn off the car. Okay, so what that means is our alternator is not charging, because when a car is turned off, it has, like I showed you, around that 12 volts, right? But then when you start it, the alternator charges the battery. So when the car is running, it should have more. It should be around 13 and a half. If it's less, then it's not charging. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is I have a nice alternator from the junkyard. I'm gonna install that, and we're gonna test it with the new alternator and see what it's at. So I'm gonna fast forward this video right now until the alternator is changed.
See you in about an hour.
All right, brand new used alternator installed. I do have a video on how to do that in a Chevy Montana, Chevy Venture, Pontiac, Montana. Anyways, let's test it. Look at that. 14.5. So it is working. It is charging, guys. So that is how you test to see if an alternator is working. Subscribe to this amazing channel.